There are a very few shortcuts on the keyboard to insert a proper arrow in Word file. Firstly, if you type two times dashes and then type right angle bracket, you will get a thin arrow like this one. Alternatively, if you type equal sign two times and then type right angle bracket, you will get a thick arrow like this one. And if you want, you can also hold the alt key and type number 26 from num keyboard. You will get a long and thick arrow like this one. And if you want, you can also hold alt key then type number 16 from num keyboard. You will get a right point triangle. So this is a proper way and shortcuts to insert a proper arrows in Word file.